Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to make friend list private on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook apps. Now I'm opening my Facebook apps. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Now I'm showing a simple method. So follow my process. Tap on the right corner, 3 line, and then tap on the setting icon. Scroll down and then tap on this, how people find and contact you, and then select this option, who can see your friend list. Now it's a public, and customize the only me. Okay, now done. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for next video.